How snowmaking systems work. Ski resorts depend heavily on snow. Unfortunately, weather does not always follow business schedules. That is where snowmaking systems come in. Modern ski resorts can produce artificial snow using water, compressed air, and carefully controlled temperature conditions. Which means winter sports increasingly rely on industrial engineering and weather monitoring working together. So today we are going to walk through how snowmaking systems actually work and how ski resorts create snow artificially. Chapter 1: The basic idea. Snowmaking systems create artificial snow from water and air. Cold temperatures allow water droplets to freeze. Resorts use these systems to maintain ski conditions. Chapter 2: Temperature and humidity conditions. Snowmaking depends on wet bulb temperature. Humidity affects freezing efficiency significantly. Cold, dry air improves snow production. Chapter 3: Water supply systems. Large amounts of water are required. Pumping systems move water across resorts. Reservoirs often support operations. Chapter 4: Air compression systems. Compressed air helps atomize water droplets. Small droplets freeze more effectively. Air systems improve snow quality and consistency. Chapter 5: Snow guns and snow cannons. Snowmaking machines spray water into cold air. Freezing occurs before droplets reach the ground. Different machine designs support different conditions. Chapter 6: Nucleation and ice crystal formation. Tiny ice particles help snow formation begin. Nucleation systems improve freezing reliability. Artificial snow crystals form rapidly. Chapter 7: Automated snowmaking systems. Modern resorts use automated controls. Sensors monitor weather continuously. Systems adjust water and airflow dynamically. Chapter 8: Energy and resource requirements. Snowmaking consumes large amounts of energy. Pumping and compression systems require significant power. Efficiency remains an important concern. Chapter 9: Snow grooming and distribution. Produced snow must be spread and shaped. Snow grooming machines prepare ski surfaces. Slope conditions require continuous maintenance. Chapter 10: Environmental considerations. Water and energy usage create environmental concerns. Climate conditions influence operational demands. Sustainable practices continue developing gradually. Chapter 11: Climate change and resort operations. Changing winter conditions affect ski industries globally. Snowmaking became increasingly important for reliability. Technology supports shorter and warmer winters. Chapter 12: The bigger picture. Snowmaking combines weather science and industrial systems. Modern ski resorts depend heavily on artificial snow production. Climate variability continues increasing the importance of these systems. To wrap up, snowmaking systems work by spraying water and compressed air into cold conditions where droplets freeze into artificial snow before reaching the ground. Temperature, humidity, water supply, and air pressure all affect snow quality and efficiency. Automated systems monitor weather continuously and adjust production dynamically. Modern ski resorts increasingly depend on snowmaking technology to maintain reliable winter conditions. This has been a mini Leviathan production. If you enjoyed it, check out our other videos. See you in the next one.